Welcome to North America's most trusted brand for collision repair. CARSTAR locations are designed to help you take the stress out of fixing your vehicle. Our excellent customer service, transparent process, and the industry's highest quality collision repairs are just a few reasons why so many people trust CARSTAR. While we're North America's largest collision repair network, our focus is on serving the communities where we do business. Whether you've had a fender bender, encountered a deer, or been through a hailstorm, we're here to help. We'll coordinate with your insurance company, tow your vehicle, provide a free estimate, and get your vehicle back to pre-accident condition. Participating locations even offer a CARSTAR credit card to help you conveniently finance your repair needs. Our CARSTAR patented operating procedures help ensure your vehicle is repaired right. Our iCar and OEM certified technicians are trained to work on all makes and models and are continually educated on the latest technologies. We're always available to answer your questions. Here's how our process works. When you contact CARSTAR, we'll schedule an appointment for your free estimate. We review that estimate with your insurance carrier to ensure your vehicle is repaired to your coverage standards. Once you select CARSTAR for your repair, we pre-wash your vehicle and disassemble it to evaluate any additional repair needs. Then, we develop a comprehensive plan, order your parts, and schedule your repair. We keep you informed from bodywork to paint preparation to finishing, closely monitoring every step. Once your vehicle is complete, we conduct a quality assurance inspection before delivering your vehicle back to you. Wherever you go, know that we stand behind our work with CARSTAR limited nationwide warranty on qualifying repairs. If you move or are traveling, you're covered. If there is not a CARSTAR nearby, we'll find a convenient location to honor the warranty. An important part of our commitment to quality is our service to the community. Across North America, CARSTAR supports hundreds of charities that benefit children with health issues such as cystic fibrosis, military members, and families in need. At CARSTAR, we don't just repair cars, we repair your car.